The degree of a term is the sum of the exponents of the variables. So you're going to add up the exponents. All right. The degree of the polynomial is the degree of the term of the highest degree. Okay. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let's get a polynomial here, and let's copy that up at the top, and we'll get a little chart here where we have the term, the coefficient of the term, the degree of the term, and then we'll have the degree of this whole polynomial. Okay, now what is the very first term here? That would be this one, wouldn't it? So copy that down here, 10x cubed y squared. The coefficient is the number in front of the term. So that would be the what? The 10. The 10 is at the very front of this term. Now, the degree is the sum of the exponents. We have 3 x's and 2 y's. This is really x, 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 y, y. So you have 3 plus 2 is 5, okay? We have 5 letters over here, don't we? We have x, x, x for x cubed. That's 3 letters. And 2 more y's, don't we? For a total of 5. So the degree is the sum of these exponents, okay, of the term, all right? The next term, copy that down here. Coefficient is this number here. Now I have 1x, so that's x to the first, 1x, 3 y's, and 2 z's. How many letters do I have? Well, there's 1x plus 3 y's is 4 letters, and 2 letters makes what? I have 6 letters in this term. The next term is this one, x squared y. There is a number 1 in front of this term, so 1 is the coefficient, and I have 2 x's and 1 y, so I have 3 letters. Okay, next term, 4y. 4 is the coefficient, and I have 1 letter. Next one, we're on the 5x squared. The coefficient is the 5, and how many letters do you have? That's x times x, or 2. And then we have our 63, okay? That is the coefficient. How many letters do I have here? So, well, I don't see any letters. Yeah, so how many is none? Okay, so it's 0. Now, the degree of the whole polynomial is the highest of one of these degrees. Which one's highest? Not 5, but what? 6 is the biggest number. So 6 is the degree of the whole polynomial.